Question is, front view of a line measures 70 mm, makes an angle of 30 degree with XY. The end A is in HP. So end A is in HP means front view of the end A is given, that is in HP on the XY line, and front view length is the 70 mm, and that length makes 30 degree angle with the XY line. So this is the first part of the question. So next part is the VT, vertical stress of the line is 10 mm below XY line. Vertical stress of the line is 10 mm below the XY line. The line is inclined at 45 degree to the VP. Line inclined 45 degree means the line makes angle in the top view. Top view angle, true angle of the top view is a 45 degree with respect to the vertical plane, means with respect to the XY line. Draw the projections of the line and find the true length, true inclinations with HP, also locate the HT. So this is the question. So we'll start with the front view of the angle 30 degree and length of the front view is a 70 mm. So this is the XY line. So as point A is in HP, the end A is in HP means on the XY line we are locating the point A. So this is the A dash, front view of the point A, and from the front view of the point A we get the front view length of the line 30 degree inclined to the XY line. So this is the 30 degree inclination with respect to the XY line. This is the front view length of the line. The front view length is the 70 mm. So this point is the B dash. So A dash, B dash is the front view of the line. Now second information is given as the vertical stress. Vertical trace of the line is 10 mm below the XY line. So 10 mm below the XY line. So on this line there will be the vertical trace of the line. And as line or front view of the line intersect the XY line at this particular point A dash, so this point will be act as a H dash also. Why? Because front view of the line intersect the XY line at this point, and on this projector we will get the HT. On this projector we will get the HT. After extension of the front view, it will intersect the vertical stress line at this point. So this is the point of the VT. This is the point of a VT. VT is 10 mm below the XY line and on the collinear or extension of the front view. So here we will get the VT. So on the projector of a VT we get the V point. On the projector of a VT we get the V point on the XY line. So this is the V point on the XY line, VT. This one is the H dash, also A dash. Now in the question the inclination with respect to the VP is given. So inclination, the line is inclined 45 degree to the VP. Line is inclined 45 degree to the VP, and here we have point V. So we have to make 45 degree inclination from this point V. So 45 degree inclination from this point V. So this is the 45 degree inclination, true inclination of a line with respect to the vertical plane, means with respect to the XY line. Now we know the front view length is the 70 mm. We are rotating the front view length and making it parallel to the XY line. So from this point on the projector you will get the true length point in the top view. True length point in the top view. So you can say it as a B1, and on the locus of B1 and the locus of B dash we are getting this point B, the top view point B. Okay. Now we know that this V point and this B point is related to the top view and V point is collinear with the top view. Because of that we are joining this V and B. So we are joining this V and B point. So this line intersects this A dash projector at this particular point. So we are getting here the A point. So A, B as a top view of the line, A dash B dash is the front view of the line, and now we are going to draw the true length of the line, and for that purpose we are drawing here the locus of A, rotating the top view. So this is the rotation of the top view, and the rotation of the top view we are extending it. So rotation of a top view and extension of that, locus of B dash. So here you will get the point B1 dash. So this line, joining of this line A dash and B1 dash, we are getting the true length. So now we have all the points, that is the true length, V point, VT, and we have to mention here the HT, vertical stress also. Sorry, HT, horizontal stress also. So horizontal stress is collinear with the top view and on the projector of a H dash. So this is the projector for the H dash, and this is the top view. So this is the A point is itself as a HT. So this is the answer for the question.